Inside you, right this moment, a monster may be born. It doesn't come from the outside. It is one of your own. A single cell that, through an error in the code of life, forgets who it is. It ignores all the rules, defies the natural order, and decides to become immortal. It is a rebel, a traitor that begins to multiply without control, stealing energy and space from its loyal neighbors. If left unchecked, this single rebel can build an empire of chaos and destroy the entire universe of which it is a part. But to understand the magnitude of this betrayal, you must first know the world it threatens. A perfectly ordered universe, a biological metropolis of trillions of citizens, where every cell works in delicate harmony, a silent dance we call life. It is a world of peace, a peace that must be defended, for this universe has its guardians. Patrolling the vast highways of the bloodstream and the winding paths of the lymphatic system, there exists an elite force. They are not the largest cells, nor the most numerous, but they are the most specialized, the special forces of the immune system. They are known as T cells, and among them is our hunter. Its appearance is simple, but within it lies an arsenal of molecular weapons and a single directive programmed into its DNA to find and destroy any cell that carries the signature of betrayal. Our hunter travels, propelled by the flow of life, its surface covered by thousands of receptors, each one tasting and feeling the cells it encounters. It moves past billions of loyal citizens, each presenting the correct credentials, the molecular password that says, "I belong to this body." For hours, the patrol is silent. But then it enters a region where chaos reigns, where the perfect architecture of the tissue is distorted. And then, contact. One of its receptors fits perfectly onto a strange protein on a cell's surface, the chemical signature of the enemy. The target has been marked. The hunter's behavior changes instantly. The random patrol is over. Now, the movement is deliberate, focused. It approaches the cancer cell, which, in its immortal arrogance, continues to divide, ignoring the approaching threat. The T cell latches onto the monster's surface, a lethal embrace that seals its fate. This is the kiss of death. From its membrane, the hunter releases its weapons. First, molecules called perforins, which punch holes in the enemy cell's armor. And through these breaches, it injects its death sentences, the granzymes. The granzymes don't destroy the cell by brute force. They activate an ancient program hidden within the cancer cell itself, the order to self-destruct. The hunter's mission is complete. It detaches and moves away, indifferent to what happens next. Inside, the rebel cell collapses. Its structure disintegrates, its membrane bubbles, and it fragments into harmless pieces which will be cleaned up by other cells, leaving no trace of the rebellion behind. This was not a unique battle. It is a war, fought in silence every second of your life. Cells like this become rebels more often than we imagine, but most of the time we never know, because inside you, right this moment, there are millions of these elite hunters, patrolling, protecting, securing your future. They are the front line in the most personal war there is, the war for your life.